thanks for joining me in another video here for SyllaFX. So in this video, just wanted to do a quick recap of a trade that's set up during the New York session today. Today is November the 3rd, 2022. So in this one here, I am looking at the dollar yen. So let's go ahead and kind of explain exactly what played out on this trade and why this was a good trade to take on a sell position. So first, the first thing that I'm always going to do is go ahead and check for news events. It's already past 10 o'clock now. At the time of the trade, it was a little bit right before 10 o'clock Eastern time. So the news events had already kind of came out and played out. And what I was looking for is a support and resistance trade on this. So after I made sure that news event had already occurred and went by, and the market was kind of doing what it needs to do afterwards, went ahead and moved down to the 1 hour chart, well, the 4 hour chart first, to make sure our levels are there for the major support and resistance levels. So those are already in place. Got a level up here, and a level here, and then one down here below where price was at the moment. So then went down to the 1 hour chart, and we can see where price is at and where it was potentially reacting to a zone. So based off of just basic support and resistance and how price was reacting to a level, I was looking for a sell position on the dollar yen this morning. So what we have here is, as you can tell, price is rejecting the zones up here. So this is a major support or resistance level. So price comes all the way back up to this level here and does test it and rejects it a bit. So once I see that price did go ahead and close back below the zone, what I'm basically waiting for, like I always do on support and resistance trades, is wait for price to get back to that level and see how it reacts to it again. So on the second touch of that major resistance level, price rejected it again and closed below it. So on this white candle closure here, we know that price wants to continue moving down and reject the level, right? So what I'm doing is I wait to see if price is going to go ahead and break below the close of that candle, which it did. Great. So then on the very next candle that actually developed, I went ahead and we had a sell position that you could take here. The stop loss was set above the wick, right above the resistance level there, the wick of this candle, which makes it above that level. So that was about 20, 22, 23 pips for a stop loss. And then we were going for a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. So about 50 pips even that I was aiming for. Now the reason I was aiming for 50 pips instead of anything more is because, I mean, technically you could always push it down to this level, but usually I'm in and out of trades pretty quick. I want to go ahead and take my money and run and be done for today. So what I end up doing is aiming for that 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, which puts it at roughly 50 pips here. And that was at this support level, which I believe was going to go ahead and react to it and probably reject it, and price may start to come back up to test that level again. So, and that looks like it's what I actually did as of this moment. I don't know if it's going to keep pushing down right now, but I'm already out of that trade. So sold at this position here, came down and closed out at 50 pips once it hit at this mark here. So right now we're about 40 pips up, or we would be 40 pips in profit if I was still in the trade, but the trade is already closed. 50 pips winner on this one here. So again, the basic strategy on this one was support and resistance. Price came up to that level, rejected it, wait for price to come back and see how it reacts to it a second time. And after it closed below the resistance level, I'm looking for a sell. Take a sell, always set the stop loss above the previous wick and above that resistance level, and basically just write it down. That's maybe what, 15, 30, 45 minutes, since this is a 15-minute time frame. So in less than an hour, 50 pips earned on this one here. So we have another winner for the US dollar. I didn't actually see anything else on the other pairs just yet. That was actually setting up. So we may be looking for buys on this one, but nothing that actually fits my trading strategy just yet. So just waiting on those and see what develops, and we'll potentially have a trade on that a little bit later. But outside of that, one winning trade for the US dollar for the dollar yen today, 50 pip winner. So if you guys are interested in learning the trading strategy, go to SyllaFX.com. The course is available there, literally for $1. Do have the free Discord community group available as well if you got any questions or you want to kind of discuss different analysis with different traders, as well as the live sessions that I offer on the live trading, live market analysis, and live Q&A sessions for the VIP students. If you're watching this on YouTube, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when new content is available. Thanks for watching.